starting, just see that one thing I am telling, that is here question number 18, 19, question number 18, 19 and this page number 103, question number 22 to 25, all are the same types of question. Question number 18, 19 and 22 to 25 all are same types of question. You have to multiply some expressions and then you have to verify the result for some value. So that things are same, that's why from example 4 I am explaining. So that is the same question. Multiply, these terms are given, that 4 terms you have to multiply and verify the result when x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. So how you have to solve? There are two questions. First is multiply, that terms you have to multiply and then you have to verify the result for x equal to y equal to z equal to, that means you have to put the value. Okay, so first we have done multiplication. So that terms we have written minus 5x square minus 2 by 3 xy square z into 8 by 15 xy z square into minus 1 by 4 z. Now you know that how you have to do the multiplication. First we will take all the numerical terms together. So what is coming? Minus 5 minus 2 by 3 8 by 15 minus 1 by 4. So all the numerical terms we have taken together. Now we will take x together. So first is x square, then x, then x. So x square into x into x. X to the power nothing means x to the power 1. So we can write here 1. I have written with pencil. Now we have taken y. So y, y square, y. So it's y square. First y square it is written. First you can write y, no problem. So y square, sorry, y square and y. X complete, now y complete. Now z. Z is given z, z square, z. So z, z square, z. That is written. And nothing power means 1 I have written. So after doing this calculation, after doing the cancellation, it's coming minus 4 by 9. Cancellation you can solve, you know how you have to do. Then x are given in multiplication, that means bases are same means power will add. So x to the power what will come? 2 plus 1 plus 1. Y to the power what will come? 1 plus 2 plus 1. And z to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1. So it's coming minus 4 by 9, x to the power 4, y to the power 4, z to the power 4. Now the second question, that is verify the result when this. So how you have to do the verification? These things, whatever the multiplication you are doing, whatever the terms, that you have to take as left hand side. So in left hand side that terms you have to write, and after writing it you have to put the value of x, y, z. The value of x is 1, y is 2 and z is 3. So here we have put it the value of x, y, z and we have got this. Where here we have put it x, y, z. So we have got this. After doing calculation it's coming minus 576. And right hand side what we have taken? Right hand side means this one. After doing the multiplication what we have got. So in right hand side we will put again the value of x, y, z. So it will come. After doing this calculation it will come minus 576. That means left hand side is coming minus 576 and right hand side also coming minus 576. That means left hand side and right hand side verified because both are coming same. That's why verify the result when this is given. So it is answer will be left hand side equal to right hand side verified. So in this way you have to do the verification. Okay. Now I am going in question number 21. Question number 20 and 21, exercise 6b, that I am telling. Question number 20 and 21 both are the same types of question. So question number 21 I have solved. Question number 21 is given, find the value of this. Find the value of this for u equal to 2.5 and v equal to 1. So first we have to do this multiplication, and after doing multiplication we have to put the value of u and v. So on that way you have done minus 8 u square v to the power 6 into minus 20 uv. That we rules know. First we have to take the numerals including the sign. So that's why minus 8 into minus 20. Then u, that means u square and u. That's we have taken. Then v to the power 6 into v. That we have taken. So nothing means power will be u to the power 1, v to the power 1, that we have to do. Now minus minus plus, so it's coming plus 160, u to the power 2 plus 1, because bases are same, so power will add, and this is also v to the power 6 plus 1, so it's coming 160 u cube v to the power 7. So after getting this, we have to put, so that will be the after doing this, for u equal to 2.5 and v equal to 1, we have to find this value. So here we have put it the value of u and v. 160 is same, u cube means 2.5 whole cube, and v to the power 7 means 1 to the power 7. So now 160, 2.5 whole cube means 2.5, we have to multiply 3 times. Here I have done. So it's coming 15.625, and 1 to the power 7 means 1. So after doing this multiplication, it will come 2500. You can do this multiplication, that will come. Now I am going in exercise 6C. In exercise 6C, here okay, that we will do